guys very soon. We're almost at 150,000 likes. Should we hit 150,000 likes before we end the stream? Should we hit 150,000? We have 88 people in here. Everyone type your screens. Let's hit 150,000 likes before we end the stream. Let's do it. I know it's been our goal. Let's do it. Let's do it. We have 91 people in here. Everyone tap your screens. Tap my body. Tap my face. Tap my face. Let's hit 180,000 likes. Let's do it, man. Let's run it up. Let's hit 150,000 likes, man. I know we can do it very quick. I know we can do it very fast. Everyone just tap your screens and go crazy. You guys were here for, like I said, for a very historic part of our live stream. We've never blown these records out of the water before, and it's honestly been pretty crazy. I was not expecting this whatsoever. It's been over a year since we've received any kind of support like this before, ever. And thank you from the bottom of my heart.
New follower.
Adam, thank you for the follow. But seriously, thank you, because I don't know what I would do without you guys, and you guys are amazing. And yes, I will add all of you back on Snapchat. Don't worry, I will add all of you back.
New follower.
We just hit 150,000 likes.
New follower.
Thank you, everyone.
New follower.
Thank you. I don't even want to end the stream. Like, I legit don't even want to end the stream. I just want to keep going. Like, this is just insane to me. Like, I just never received this amount of love before in my life, ever. Like, ever. Legit, ever.
New follower.
But I know I should be headed to sleep. I know I should be headed to bed. We get 150,000 likes. How many? 199 new followers. Over 8,000 views. Over 71 gifters. You guys are just truly incredible. Truly incredible. You guys are all amazing people. 90 people watching us right now. Every single person watching us right now, you're amazing. And I just want you to know that. Like, you are amazing. You are perfect. And keep being you. Keep doing what you're doing, because you're doing it.
It's cold!
You're doing it perfectly. You're doing it perfectly. I love y'all. Take it easy, everyone. I'll see you guys soon. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you. I love